All right, welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're plugging right into the SurgeX SX-DS-154 Defender Series MultiPak. We're really trying to understand the kind of armor you need for your most sensitive AV equipment.
Yeah, that's right. And our mission really is to analyze why this specific device gets called a premier power protection choice.
Hmm.
We're talking about expensive gear here, like multi-panel displays and high-end projectors.
So multi-stage, that's the phrase that keeps popping up in the sources.
Mhm.
But I mean, we've heard that before from other brands. What exactly makes the SurgeX version different?
Well, this is where it gets really interesting. It's a completely different philosophy. Your conventional protectors, they rely on something called MOV's metal oxide barristers.
Right, the sacrificial parts.
Exactly. They basically, take the hit for your equipment, they die in the process, and then you're facing not just replacement costs, but the labor to go and swap it out.
Which can be a huge pain.
A huge pain. The MultiPak's technology, on the other hand, is completely non-sacrificial. It just reroutes the dangerous energy. So it never needs a reset, not even after repeated disturbances.
So that's the real game changer then, that uptime. And it's not just guarding against a big lightning strike, is it? The sources list a whole range of issues. Spikes, over and under voltage, even EMI RFI noise.
And that noise part is key. The claim is that filtering it out actually improves audio and video performance.
So is that a real, tangible benefit? Or is it more about long-term reliability?
It's actually both. The noise filtration cleans up the signal, which gives you that better AV quality, but the whole system works together to guarantee that long-term uptime. And that's where, the physical design comes into play.
Right, because if you can't install it easily, it doesn't matter how good it is.
Exactly. Integration is everything when you're trying to hide gear behind a sleek digital wall. And this thing is small. We're talking, about 8 by 7 inches.
So it's easy to conceal.
Very easy. You can integrate it with wall or ceiling mounts. The model we're looking at, the 154, has 4 outlets, but they do mention a 6-outlet version, the SX-DS-156, if you need more.
Okay, so let's get into the hard numbers that back all this up. The load rating is 15 amps at 120 volts, pretty standard. But the VPR, the voltage protection rating, is 330 volts in all modes. That's tight.
And that VPR number brings up a really key point. It's about control. See, pro-level protection isn't just about stopping a sudden surge. It's about actively managing bad power over time.
Adjustable thresholds.
That's it. You can actually go in and fine-tune the overvoltage shutdown anywhere from 135 up to 160 volts, and it restores automatically when things stabilize at 130.
And it does the same for undervoltage, for sags and power.
Yep. You can set the undervoltage shutdown from 80 to 95 volts, or you can even disable it if the power is just too unstable. It comes back on automatically at 105 volts. That level of control is what makes it professional grade.
Plus the 5-year warranty for peace of mind.
Can't forget that.
So to kind of wrap it all up for you, we've got non-sacrificial tech that's built for the long haul. It handles a whole spectrum of power problems, and it's designed to be tucked away and forgotten about.
And I'll just leave you with this one last thought to chew on. How much of your equipment's long-term reliability is tied not just to that VPR number, but to the adjustability of those shutdown thresholds? That flexibility to match the protection to your specific gear, that might just be the most important feature of all.